If you type some command that needs sudo privileges in the terminal, it will ask you for a password. After a few minutes, if you again type some command that needs a sudo privileges, it will ask you again for the password. On most distribution, that timeout is set to 5 minutes. So anything that needs sudo privileges in that 5 minutes after you write the password the first time, for the next 5 minutes, it won't ask you for the sudo password. Some distribution have more, depends. If you want to change that, you can change the sudo as file either with sudo vsudo or just edit it directly. You can put at the end of the file this sentence. D60 will be the minutes, in this case 60 minutes. So from the time that you first typed in the sudo as password, it won't ask you for the sudo password for another hour. You can set this to any time you want. It doesn't matter. Unless you have something confidential there. You can just save the file, and now it's for the next 1 hour after you type in sudo password, it won't ask you again. There are also some other options. This can be also one of the examples. Under user, you put the name of your user, and the 0 means that every time you type in command that needs sudo privileges, it will ask you for a password. So for instance, in my case, this would be my user is Y, and if I say timeout 0, if I save the file, quit it, I don't know, I want to install a program, it will ask me for a password. I want to install another program, it will ask me for a password, even if I typed in the password just a few seconds ago. But I usually put it for 1 hour because I really don't have anyone who will access my desktop computer. And there is nothing that is so important there to be needing a password for terminal. And that's all.